Welcome to Create, Cook, and Talk. I'm Shantae.
I'm Kaylee.
What are we cooking today, Kay?
We're making the St. Patrick's lamb pork cake.
Poke cake.
Poke cake.
Not pork.
Poke.
Poke.
Poke
Like
cake.
I'm poking you. Poke, poke, poke.
Poke cake.
Okay, poke cake. Okay, we're making St. Patrick's Day poke cake. We thought it'd be fun. So, a few little fun facts I thought I would share, or some things that are not so true, some false facts about St. Patrick. He was not actually Irish. He was born in Scotland.
Oh, I never know that.
Ooh, did you know that? And did you know that also it's false that many think that St. Patrick's Day, that all of the St. Patrick Day's parades and all of those things started in Ireland, right?
Yeah.
Is that what you think?
Yeah.
But they actually are started in the United States.
Ooh.
Traditions in the United States. And did you know that it's really hard to find a 4-leaf clover? Those are 4 leaves.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It's very hard. I think it's, let me just make sure I read the facts. 1 in 10,000.
Wow.
You know, I have a couple though. My grandpa showed me how to find them, and I have like about 3.
Wow.
Did you know that?
I never know
Grandpa showed me
that.
how to do it. And the last one is March 17th. Sometimes they think is like what you would think. Would you think it's the birthday of St. Patrick Day? St. Patrick?
No.
No?
I mean, yes.
Yes. Well, what do you think?
I think no, because not St. Patrick's birthday.
It's not his birthday. Well, you'd be right because
Because the holiday, like we go celebrate St. Patrick's Day because not his birthday.
right. But normally it's celebrated because it was his birthday, or they think it was his birthday, but it wasn't actually his birthday. It was actually Saints mark when they died. It's a day honoring him when he passed away. Anyway, on to some fun now. St. Patrick's Day. So we're gonna make a what? A lime poke cake, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we've already baked a cake from the cake mix. The only thing I did different was, in case you guys don't know, is that we added, instead of oil, we added applesauce, which just will take away some of the calories and make it a little bit more moist, right? All right, so now what we're gonna do, Kay, is we have to make little holes. So I'm just using we're gonna use the back of a spoon, right?
The little spoon.
Yep, a little spoon. And I'm just gonna show you first and then you can do it. So we're just gonna go all the way down, pick up, go to the next one, right? Oh, I can speak. Oh, Diane. Well, my cake's a little too moist, people.
Not gonna be perfect.
Okay, so now we have all the holes. Now we're going to make Jell-O, right? Using the microwave, right? So we're going to move the cake out of the way and then start our Jell-O mix. So Kaylee, we need 1 cup of, okay, so we have a cup of water, and then Kaylee's going to place it in the microwave, and our microwave happens to be a 1,000-watt microwave, so it'll be 2 minutes, Kay. So you're gonna put it in there for 2 minutes to get it to be boiling, okay?
Okay.
Depending on your microwave, depends on how long you put it in there. It's normally between 1 and 3 minutes. And then I'm going to open up the lime Jell-O mix and put it in here. And then we should start being able to, I don't think I got a fork. Okay, go ahead and pour gently the boiling water in there so we can dissolve that. Good job. Okay, put that down now. Take off your mitt and now you can stir. Oh, you can smell, huh? You can start stirring it a little bit. I'll move this one. So we're just gonna see until it's like pretty much all the sugar's dissolved, right? Is it dissolved?
It doesn't smell like punch.
It smells like punch? Like a lime punch?
Yeah, we did this on Halloween or St. Patrick's Day.
Okay, now I put a 1/2 cup of cold water, right? So now we're gonna stir that up. Okay, so now move that over there. Now we're gonna get back to our cake. And now we're just going to pour it, right? You wanna work together and do it? Now our cake is already cooled because we cooked it in advance. Pouring it all over top. We're gonna put this in the refrigerator for 2 hours, or the freezer. We're gonna try it for a 1/2 hour and see how that works. Okay, so now we're going to layer it. It doesn't look pretty, but I'm sure it will be good. Okay, so we're just gonna put this on there. Okay, I'm just gonna plop it and then you can, let me start down here. You can just gently start spreading it on there. Right, like frosting. All right. Woo!
Woo!
So what kind of cake is this? Did poke?
Pork.
Not pork, poke.
Pork
Top. You don't want to go down and touch the cake. You want to just have frosting gentle on the top.
is,
There. Okay. So you want to do the sprinkles now?
yeah. It's pork.
It's poke?
Pork.
No.
Pork.
It's poke.
Pork was
Poke. P-O-K-E. Poke.
pork for St. Patrick's Day cake.
Poke cake.
Pork
Okay.
cake.
All right. So now I'll take that and you can put some sprinkles on there. Put it on there so it looks nice and pretty. All over. Woo! Finish putting some sprinkles on there. And I think we're ready to serve. So I'm going to add a little key limes, because we're in Florida, so we like key limes, right?
Yay.
Right there, baby. All right. And then
People from up north know. Yeah, I like it.
you like key limes? Just put a little twist decoration. Or maybe you have some St. Patrick's Day candies you want to put on there. Whatever, right?
We don't have any.
Well, I didn't get any, but we're going to have enough, right? Okay, let's cut it up and see what we got. Create, cook, and talk. Encourage learning while creating yum. And enjoy some what? St. Patrick's Day poke cake.
Pork cake.
Yeah, with key lime. Woo. How about trying some, Kay?
Okay.
Ooh, okay, ready? I get to feed you?
Yum.
Yum, with your mouth full here. All right, create, cook, and talk. Encourage learning while creating yum, and enjoy our St. Patrick's Day
I said Patrick's Day
poke cake.
pork cake.
Right, with lime jello.
Yep, with lime jello. Please come and join us.
And comment, give us a
And
comment.
get us a comment or thumbs up if you like our video. Create, cook, and talk. And I will have a St. Patrick's Day. Bye.
Bye.